Hello. Welcome to London Underwriters. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the quoting process using one of our programs, Coterie. A little background about Coterie. They have 80% of the ISO classes available for GL, PL, and BOP, plus other additional coverages. Now, let's get started. Visit our website, www.londonuw.com, to access Coterie. Click on the red button to log in. Once on the login page, select Quote Now under Coterie's logo. New users, if you don't have a Coterie account yet, reach out to us at marketing@londonuw.com. Now, let's explore the quoting process. Dashboard overview. Upon logging in, find the menu on the left with resources, an appetite checker, renewals, policies, and quotes. To start a new quote, click on the corresponding option, Quote Details, enter the insured's business name and address. In this case, it will be Restaurant LLC. Choose the coverage line of business, which will be the business owner's policy. Coterie will automatically search for a NAICS code. If not found, input the industry manually. Confirm business details, verify and, if needed, adjust details like revenue, payroll, employees, premises, square footage, and type. Confirm your changes. Quote summary. Receive an estimated premium, view available coverage lines, additional coverages, and options for additional insured, and fill in contact details. In this case, you can see that BOP was not available due to proximity to the coast. As well, you are able to choose the liability limits for the GL, which is available. In the next section you will see suggested coverages, like for this restaurant, you will have liquor liability, by only specifying the alcohol sales. And also the hired non-owned auto. In the next section you will have the option to add additional insureds, too. At the end, you will have to confirm the business details and the contact details such as full name, phone number, email address. Quote management. Download the quote for the presentation. If your client agrees, proceed to the Review and Pay section. Payment options. Payment is available through credit card in monthly installments or as a full payment. Policy issuance. Once payment is made, you and your insured will receive the policy documents instantly. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the Coterie quoting process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, chat with us online at londonuw.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and updates from London Underwriters. Thank you for choosing us as your insurance partner.